In front of me is HTC Desire 20 Plus, and let me show you how to activate Talkback on this device. So first of all, just open the settings, then find and select accessibility right here, and go to Talkback. You will find it under screen readers. Just click to open, and now if you want to activate it, just click here, then tap on allow. At first you can go through the whole tutorial, but let me close it. Just tap once and then double tap, because all you need to know is written right here. So let us listen to it.
When Talkback is on, it provides spoken feedback so that you can use your device without looking at the screen. This can be helpful for people who are blind or partially sighted. To navigate using Talkback, swipe right or left to move between items, double tap to activate an item, drag 2 fingers to scroll to turn off Talkback, tap the switch. You'll see a green outline. Double tap the switch. On the confirmation message, tap OK. Then double tap OK. In list 2 items.
So this is it, and if you would like to see it, just mark something once, double tap to go there, then use your 2 fingers to scroll, and then to turn it off, just mark Talkback again, click twice, mark the switcher, tap twice, tap on stop, and click 2 times to turn it off. So this is it. This is how you can activate this screen reader, how you can use it and then turn it off. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.